If you've accidentally deleted an important email in Gmail, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a deleted email from Gmail in just a few simple steps. This is one of the easiest ways to find emails that were removed by mistake and move them back into your inbox. So whether you deleted a message today or you're trying to find something from earlier, this quick guide will walk you through the process. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, sign in if you're not already signed in to the correct account. Now look at the left-hand menu and click Trash. This is where Gmail stores deleted emails before they are permanently removed. When you open the trash folder, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to look for the deleted email you want to recover. Type in a sender name, subject line, keyword, or anything that will help you find the message faster. After you locate the email, click the checkbox next to it to select it. If you want to recover more than one email, you can select multiple messages the same way. Once the email is selected, look for the Move to Inbox option and click it. Gmail will instantly restore that message back to your inbox, making it easy to access again. And that's it. You've now recovered a deleted email from Gmail. It only takes a few moments, and it can save you from losing something important. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.